So before starting the beard, as usual, I like to line up first and then sort of take out length and then blend it in. So start with from the top here and work my way down, making sure that we've got a nice, even, smooth line. You don't want to be doing like a line coming straight down and across. You want it a nice sort of arch to it. So when we're lining up the sides as well, as usual, I like to sort of arch it backwards. So when they have their heads coming up straight, it's a straighter line. So as we want to blend it, I do like to start with the trimmers still, because we've done a skin fade on the sides here. We're just going to sort of flick out with the trimmers downwards and start off the blend that way. So as you can see there, it still needs a lot of work, but we've done some of the work already. So moving on to our clipper work now. Closed, and I'm just gonna, as I'm going down, I'm opening a click at a time till we're all the way open. Going over the work again, making sure everything is nice and clean. And then moving on to our 0.5 guard. Following the same process again, opening a click at a time. Going back to closed if needs be. Then our 1 guard. Then I'm going to close the guard and I'm going to go with the grain. And then I'm going to open it up, so we've got a 1.5 guard with the grain now, or a 1 guard open with the grain. So as you can see already that we've already got a pretty good beard fade there, and we're not even done yet. So moving on to the neckline, I do like to sort of look to what the jaw is doing. So I tend to go just past below the ear and coming down like that. But if you look, when they're looking down, you don't want the hair to be like hanging down over or anything like that. So you want it to be like a good shape to it. So it gives that definition of them having a stronger jawline. So when his head is straight, I know down by here is where I want it to be. So there's no overhang. And then we'll follow the same process on the other side. Right, so now that we've done the other side, guys, we're going to move on to the moustache area. And what we're going to do is the same as usual. If you've seen the last video, just our 0.5 guard, and we're just going to brush down. So we're not changing the shape of the moustache. You're just brushing it down with a 0.5 guard upside down as well, and it just takes the weight out of it then. And then the hair's just off the lip, starting from the middle and making your way on either side, making sure that it's even. Also not making sure that they don't smile or don't move even like that, so you keep a nice even moustache. Bit of trimmer over comb as well, just to take a little bit of weight out, making sure everything's even as well. Just a little bit of freehand work as well, just to take off any straggly hairs. Moving on to our razor work. So the reason why I like to do my razor work dry, guys, is because it leaves a sharper line. You know, you can use like a shaving gel, but I just prefer to do it dry as it leaves a sharper line. But if I was to go under here, you're going to leave a lot of razor burn there. So I would go in there with like some shaving foam or a shaving gel. And that is the finished look on the beard, guys. If you enjoyed it, the whole haircut tutorial is also out now. Go and check it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time.